On today's show, Barb and I are going to make a really neat Friday night steak dinner. I have a couple of nice porterhouses. I'm going to make a really neat marinade. I'm going to also cook up some mushrooms with garlic. I have a fantastic instant mashed potato recipe that I'm going to share with you, and I have some secret ingredients I know you'll want to see. And then I'll do a vegetable at the end. So let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. And now here's Barb with the question of the day.
Do you like mashed potatoes? If you like mashed potatoes, give me a thumbs up.
Click on that thumbs up button. Let's start out with what takes the longest. That would be our marinade. We're going to be using a low sodium soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce. I'm also going to be using some garlic and a Ziploc bag. So I have a mixing bowl all set and ready to go. So I'll get my ingredients in there. Pretty simple recipe. And then I'm using some liquid roasted garlic because it's going to be the most liquid to use for a marinade. And then I have a whisk that I'll just whisk this up. And let's get some onion powder in here. My onion powder got a little dried out, I guess. That should make that good. Okay, then my onion bottoms, save the top for garnish. There we go. And I can put that in my Ziploc bag. Then marinade, work it into all the steak. I rolled my lemon so it would be juicy. I'll just cut this here. Squeeze some juice in here. That'll just brighten it up a little bit. And then we'll slice and cook those, and we'll use them as garnish with the meal. Now let's make sure I have this sealed. And then throw this in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes. Start our potatoes. They take a while. Here's a pan. Get it hot. I'll put some butter in there and some cream cheese. Get hot. Pour my milk in and my water. Let that come up to a boil. That was about a half a cup to a quarter minimum of milk and heavy whipping cream. Here is one of my secret ingredients. This is from a friend of mine that works in a restaurant. This is Mexican basil. You don't have to use it, but it don't hurt. It makes it taste great. Now my water has come up to a boil with the milk and the cream. Give that a quick stir. Get my powdered potatoes ready to go. A liquid in there. And then I have a mixer. I have a warming burner here, and we can put those right on like that. And I have the vegetables. The vegetables right in the can of their own water. Throw the lid on it and put that on the other warming burner. Then let's grab the steaks and we'll get that rolling. So I have some oil. Today I'll go ahead and use grapeseed oil. Let's put these steaks in here. Now you're going to need about 2.5 minutes or so on the first side. And probably somewhere over 1 minute plus on the second side. Down to medium heat, and then save this mix for my mushrooms. There we go, 150. Now, turn the fire off real fast. Take the steaks, move them around, and roll them over. Spin them. Just like that, move them off to the side. Take my half a stick of unsalted butter. Put that in here to melt. My marinade. As soon as it cools off, I can turn the fire back on again. Medium. It's boiling, which means it's cooking the juice. Melting the butter. Grab a spoon, nice big one, something even like a soup spoon if you have one. Fire off again now that it's boiling. Marinate it right up on top of my steaks. You can see how it gets quiet when you turn the fire off. Then I'll pull these out of here. Get them on a plate. You know, these have to sit for a bit. You can't eat them right away. Cover them with foil. Just like that. Fire back on again. Mushrooms. These are Pennsylvania Dutchman sliced mushrooms. And if you have a little red wine, white wine, you can put that in if you want as well. Here's some garlic. Fairly large chunks. so they don't burn. Get a nice spoon to stir them with and serve. Okay, I'm gonna leave it just for a minute or so here, let it boil. Okay, I want to check my mushrooms. They're 181. These mushrooms are all set. Fire off again. Just try to make sure we stir them here. Just like that. Then I think, if I can here, even just a little bit in the bottom there. Fire back on. Lemons. Right on the fire, like that. On medium. Let's start serving. Nice big helping of mashed potatoes. Just like that. Green onions on top. Vegetables. Just like that. They really clean up the pan too. That's the best part. See that how it cleans up the pan? Okay, fire off. Let's get a steak. Nice big steak. Look at that. Now, serving spoon for some mushrooms right on top of our steak. Here we go, folks. Look at that. And if you'd like to see some more meals just like this, here's a couple more.